Hey kids, let's go down the road and practice some of our sight words along the way. If a road sign appears on the left, say the word and jump over to the right. And if a road sign appears on the right, we're going to jump over to the left. Make sure you say the words as they appear, and make sure you have enough room between you and your neighbor so you don't accidentally jump into each other. Are you ready to start? Let's go. Start jogging. Here comes the first one. It's day. Can you say the word before I do? Get. Made. Make sure you jump out of the way. Part. May. Number. Words. Called. Keep going, keep going. Down. Lawn. If. You're jumping out of the way of the road signs. Do. We're over half done. Keep going. Not. Use. For. One. Had. Is. At. 5 left. Here we go. In. It. Has. And last one. Keep going. Don't give up. 10. Great job, kiddos. Great job reading the words and jumping out of the way of the road signs. Hope you had fun. We'll see you next time.